tutorial, we are going to go over how to set up your fundraising page or pages once you've registered for a Strides for CJD event. Because I've logged in before and set up dashboards in the past, it's got my login information ready for me. And because I've already registered as well is why that's there. If you haven't registered yet, go ahead and use this sign up now to register. So we'll go ahead and sign in. And then it's going to bring us to a dashboard. So this dashboard has everything you need to set up your fundraising pages. And so for me, it's going to have information for setting up my individual fundraising page as well as my team fundraising page, because I've created a team for my location. The first thing you will want to do is go to edit my page, and it's going to bring us to this. So there's a few things that you can do here to make it more personal for you. So the first thing you can do is you can add an image here. So say you wanted to add your own profile picture of yourself. You could click change profile image and search your computer for a photo that you would like to include there. And then you can edit these individual boxes a little bit here. So you would click on the edit icon, that little gear, and you could type in pretty much anything you wanted. So I'm going to call this Rebecca's fundraising page. I could add a subtitle, and I can also change the alignment of my page's title. So I'm going to center it. And then whenever we're editing any of these little widgets, we have to click up. And we also have to click this green Save Page button. Otherwise, our changes won't save. So we can see here that edited that. And then if I wanted to tell a little bit more about my story, I could edit here and type some information about why I walk and Strides, and how I got here and what my story was with CJD. There's also on the right hand side your individual fundraising goal. So when you registered, it gave you the option to set a fundraising goal. So if you did that, that would be here. There is a way to update your goal if you need to change it after you've already registered. And then there's also some information just about the different sponsorship levels and fundraising. And then down below, you can also add videos or images if you'd like to on your individual page. Now, if you do have a team that you are the captain of, you can also edit that page. So I'll show you, because that's where I focus most of my time. So edit my team page here. And so this is Leonard's Legion in memory of my dad. And so again, we can change the profile picture. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick, and we'll come back once that's loaded. Okay, so our image is loaded now, but you can see it's a little off center. So I'm just going to click on it and drag, and it centers it. And then I'll click done editing. And then we are going to edit and put some more information about Leonard on our page. So we can change this here. Have it say Leonard Legion's fundraising page. We'll go ahead and update and save page. Oh, and I forgot to center it because that's just the way I like it. So we're going to go back in, center, update, save page. And then I like to put our story here and kind of a little bit more about Leonard's life and kind of his journey with CJD. And so you can type directly into this box to share your story. Or since I've done this a few times in the past, I just like to keep our story saved on my computer, and then I just copy and paste it directly into this. But I do need to clean up the formatting a little bit. It's slightly different. Adds a few spaces, so we'll just clean this up. Okay, great. And then we will update and save page. And so then you can see here, it's got that story. Again, just like your individual fundraising page, you have your team fundraising goal here. So right now I have it set to $2,000, but I'll show you where to change that as well if you need to. And then just like your individual page, it's got options to add images and videos. So I might go back and do that a little bit later. And then this, you can also, for either of these pages, you can share them on Facebook or X, which is a great way to get the word out about the event and get friends and family to help support either with donations or by registering to be as part of your team or your event. And so you can see here a list of everybody who's registered for my team event. And then if we have anybody who's donated non-anonymously, they will be listed here as well. And so when you share this page, either by email or on Facebook or X, people will see all of this information, and then they'll have the option here to sponsor or donate. And then they'll also have an option that will be here that will be to register for your team. All right, so let's go back to our fundraising dashboard, and I will show you where to edit your donation goals. So for your individual donation goal, you go to My Donations here on the left, and you can click Update Goal, and then it'll have you just change your goal to whatever you'd like it to be. I do want to update our team goal, so I'm going to say Update Team's Goal. Let's change this to, let's say $2,500, and we'll go ahead and click Update, and that has been updated there. And you also have some resources here that the foundation has put together for participants. Just a lot of handy documents on like how to get sponsorships and how to help recruit donations and things like that. So feel free to look through those. And the last thing that I usually use is this Share My Page. So we talked about sharing it to Facebook and X, so you're more than welcome to do that. But this also helps you send an email. So you can send a custom fundraising email. You just add a title, a subject line, and then you can either, type your own message here, or you can use a template that the CJD Foundation has created for us to use. So you can fill all that out, add the email addresses of anybody you want it to be sent to, and then choose what cadence you would like it to be sent. Save and preview, and then on the next page it will have you select if you want to go ahead and send it or if you want to save it and send it later. But yeah, that is pretty much everything that I use on here. But if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to the foundation, and they will be more than happy to support you in setting up your fundraising page. Thank you so much.